Welcome to CopyCat. Go to VS Code Extension Marketplace and search for CopyCat.
Once installed, you can find CopyCat on your Explorer. You can also drag out into a cute separate Explorer view. Now you can start your normal day coding with CopyCat. You will be given some credits when you type, but when credits are used up, paste from external source will be banned, and your cute cat will be mad. You can start earning credits or hiding the text to enjoy a more immersive experience. Close the panel. CopyCat will always catch you copying. Don't let your cute cat disappointed. Start coding with creativity and enjoy your day with CopyCat.